Alright, young lady, have a seat. So since our last visit, I'm gonna have you scoot forward just a smidge. Right there, let's relax back. You said you've been having headaches and migraines?
Mm-hmm.
So how often?
I've had like a headache every single day for the past month, probably.
I feel bad for it.
And I also fell on the ice. So
when?
Like 2 weeks ago.
Did you land on and hit your head, or?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I had a concussion. So.
Okay. You ain't gonna get that checked out?
No.
Concussions are fun. So was the headaches before the slip?
Yes.
Okay, but they've been kind of constant since the slip?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So I'm gonna start right here. Just relax back into my hand. Right there. Perfect. Just like riding the bus. Alright, so where you got your occiput on this side is. This is why you have the headaches right there. So, but your SCM is tight on this left side too. So I'm going to take this side first. Have you done your occiput before?
I'm not sure.
Alright, just relax into my hand. It's going to be quick and painless. If it's neither, it'll already be over. Right there. Still feel your legs?
I can.
Alright. Same thing over here. We already know what to expect, so just relax into it. Ooh, yeah.
Felt good.
Alright, as long as you can still walk, maybe come over here to the table. You go face down for me. Alright, just relax. I'm gonna bring these up. I'm gonna check your hips. Is there any pain or discomfort when I bring your legs up there?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna touch your waist, alright?
Okay.
Just to make sure it's your hip and not your lumbars, I'm going to press down here. Is there any pain with that other than pressure?
No.
Okay. Here it's going to be kind of uncomfortable because your diaphragm sits right here, so it's going to feel like I'm pressing in your lungs. My line drives like a scoop. Take a nice deep breath for me. Let it all out. Just relax. One more time. There we go. Less pressure, but straight down. Deep breath. Let it all out. Alright, I'm going to have you go on your side and face me. I'm going to take care of this left hip. Bring yourself to the edge. I promise I won't let you fall. I haven't let anybody fall today.
That's reassuring.
You are my first, but still.
Still good odds.
Right? Just relax into that. Right there. Go face up for me. Hip. There. Same thing over here. Just relax. There you go, young lady.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.